Now, most people, when they hear the word computer, they think of this and this. But, hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So the word computer is not tied down to an actual computer itself. Here's the real definition of the word computer. A computer is a machine or a device that performs processes, calculations, and operations based on instruction provided by a software or hardware program. So if we go by that definition, let's break down some things that's actually a computer. Let's talk about your GPS. Your GPS is a computer that calculates the distance and the best route to get there based on the address that you put in. Now, a GPS unit is actually running on a hardware program. So the program is actually embedded into the hardware and it gets updated every once in a while. Let's look at your microwave. Now, your microwave is actually performing operations. So when you put the cup in there and you get ready to hit that beverage button, it already knows exactly how much minutes and seconds it needs to spin that plate around and to make sure you get a nice cup of hot water when it's done. But there's also checkpoints built in. So if your door is still open and you hit the start, nothing's going to happen. So it takes a computer to calculate and understand all those instructions that's given to it. And your microwave has a computer built in. So when we look beyond the tablets and the laptop and the desktop and even your smartphone, yes, those are actually computers because they actually run in some type of software that's making them do what they need to do. Now, not every device actually have a computer built in. Your blender, your plain old blender, the ones with the push button that goes from 1 to 9 or 10 or whatever, that's just a mechanical device. Unlike the Vitamix blender, because that actually does some calculation. If you ever have a Vitamix before, it calculates the speed and it will speed up, slow down, and stop when it's done. That would take a computer to calculate all of that information and to make it work that way. So the microprocessor that's in every device now, that's making them smart, that's why they put smart bulbs, smart blender, smart fridge. That's what they're actually putting in these mechanical devices now to make them smart. And that, by definition, is actually a computer. So the word computer wasn't actually meant to be for your actual computer that you sit at. As a matter of fact, it's called desktop computer or PC, which is personal computer, and it's called laptop, and they're called mainframe computers. Then you got supercomputers and you got handheld computers. So there are different forms of computers out there. We just make it easy on ourselves by just calling it a computer. But remember that any machine or device that you have that process, calculates, and perform operations is actually a computer. So when you look around your home next time, just for fun, calculate how much computers that you actually have in your house. And that goes for your smart TV, your smart thermostat, or anything in your house that performs some type of process or operation without you actually being involved in it all the time. And you'll be surprised how much computers you actually have in your house beyond your desktop and your laptop. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for taking the time for watching it. I look forward to see you in the next one. Have a good one.